in the middle of war. When pain was louder than hope, one woman chose compassion over fear.
Florence Nightingale did not just heal wounds, she lit the path for a profession.
From candlelight to cutting-edge care, the spirit remains the same.
Courage, compassion, competence. At the Institute of Nursing, Brainware University, nurses are not just taught, they are prepared. Prepared through industry-standard laboratories. Prepared through hands-on learning. At the Museum of Human Anatomy. Prepared to face real lives. Real emergencies. Real responsibility. Because confidence is built where learning meets reality. With structured internships at Barashat Medical College and Hospital. Students step into real healthcare environments long before graduation. The result? Successful placements across leading hospitals. From bedside care to critical care, from classrooms to careers. These are not just graduates. These are healthcare professionals. The lamp still burns. Only now, it shines brighter, stronger, and smarter. Carried forward by the nurses of Brainware University.